Jurors deliberated for about an hour and a half before they went home for the day. This trial was expected to take much longer, but it wrapped up in 4 days. The defense did not call one witness.
Paul LaSchiazza worked his way up from an AT&T lineman to the president of the company. As the top executive, federal prosecutors say LaSchiazza spent years trying to land, quote, the white whale, state legislation that would allow the utility to end mandated landline service, a move that would save AT&T Illinois hundreds of millions of dollars. In 2017, LaSchiazza finally got his white whale when Springfield passed the bill. Prosecutors say he succeeded through a bribery scheme involving former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan. It's alleged the scheme was arranged by Madigan's longtime confidant Michael McLean. In exchange for the former speaker's support, McLean wanted AT&T to offer former state representative Eddie Acevedo a consulting contract. In her closing argument, Assistant U.S. Attorney Sushma Raju told the jury, quote, Paul LaSchiazza did not choose the high road. He paid the bribe because he wanted the rigged system to work in his favor, end quote. Jurors were shown emails from LaSchiazza where he wrote about a rigged system where everyone was beholden to the speaker. In the end, the legislation passed. LaSchiazza got an $85,000 bonus from AT&T, and Acevedo received $22,500 from the company for what prosecutors called a do-nothing consulting contract. Defense attorney Tinos Diamatados argued his client did not commit a bribe. He says the government offered no evidence that Madigan even knew anything about it. Diamatados told jurors, quote, LaSchiazza was doing his job. He never offered anything to Mr. Madigan in exchange for an official action, end quote.
The jury will return tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to continue deliberations. If convicted on the most serious counts, Paul LaSchiazza could face up to 20 years in prison. Meantime, Michael Madigan's trial begins on October 8th.